if you got that, just let me know on your end. But well done to that. That was beautiful gold buys this morning. Got that lovely type 5 based off of that type 2. So sheesh, that is actually very nice. I'm actually securing everything right there. So YouTube, I'll explain that to you now. Very nice MFX members. Well done, well done, well done. Hey, the Zoom is chowing you. Net, well done. Naven, well done. Well done, boys. So yeah, YouTube, hope you guys are doing good. Let's get straight to the charts. I want to have a look at gold. I actually just caught some beautiful gold buys. It was a type 2 with a type 5 style entry. If you paid attention on the webinar on Monday evening, MFX members, that was literally textbook once again. YouTube, I'll explain it to you guys in a moment. I think I'll explain maybe half of it. I won't give you guys all the information, but MFX members, once the YouTube is done, we'll run through that trade and I'll show you guys exactly what I saw, and then also how it related to Monday's webinar. So first things first, I've got in my current daily high. Quite happy with that. Boom, current daily high is there. Panning to that 4 hour, we're going to have the following zones, which is the QP level 4150 as well as then 4175, with the nearest 4 hour area being 4160, 64, 65, around that region. The idea is that we are overall bullish, right, chat? So all I want to see is price starting to close above this level, which actually went and did. There's my close. Here's my lower time frame retest. Essentially what should happen off of these lows is price should drive, which is exactly how I got this morning's trade. Panning over the 30 minute, it looks absolutely stunning. We've got that consolidation zone over there. There's price breaking. There's the resistance being tapped into. Once again, I'll keep mentioning it. Price will never just retrace or reject or turn around at a random area. It's always going to be a zone of liquidity. So if I look to the left, I can see how it lines up to the right hand side where the zone just got rejected. And then this is obviously why price pulled back. This is your retest. And then the idea is that price can actually start driving away from that area. So a big thing for me is, especially the way I trade, I focus a lot on momentum. Especially the initial momentum, because the initial momentum is where I can get that spike. It's where I can get the quick push, and that is all I want to get my 10 is 10, right? So first things first, I then identified on that 15 minute that we actually went ahead and gave a little bit of indecision, followed by an engulfing candle. Now, because I didn't take it on this, MFX members, you guys will remember as I explained this on Monday, I can then take a type 5 off of that. So I got some beautiful buys at the break of that high, and this was my exact setup this morning, which played out so good. I'm very happy to see that the MFX members caught the same thing. Beautiful 60 pip stop loss. There was my 10 is 10. I actually got 20 pips on this, so that was literally at the tip where I got that full position, so I'm quite happy with that. But yeah, let me get in that zone so you guys can see it. So there's the resistance right there on that 4. This will be the support on the 4. I'll obviously tweak it on the 30 because it lines up to the zone on the left hand side. Panning over the 30 minute, here's the adjustments that I'll make, which will be the highs up there and then the lows down here, which is pretty much just going to be this area here, nothing too crazy. And this was then the idea for me. I've got a 15 minute resistance right now, so if I am looking for continuation moves for those that didn't get in positions, even though this isn't financial advice, I would then obviously be looking for resistance close above this current area of rejection. If I look to the left hand side, where price stalled wasn't a random area, it was a flat body resistance wick. So you can see the wicks over there, that was the resistance. So very important to identify that I don't only see the resistance within the structure itself, but also within the candles. So that is pretty much the giveaway as to why price stalled at that point. So all I'm going to do here is add in a quick little 15 minute level. Really nice. Gold is really nice this morning. So if I can personally get a 15 close above there, I will call a trade on stream in the next 3 minutes. If you can get closure above, I'm gonna look for the next candle to pretty much open grab liquidity and start to flip in anticipation that price should continue driving. So that is going to be my idea this morning, ladies and gentlemen, to see if I can get continuation buys above this area. If not, and she rejects, I will look for shorts beneath there. But primary target this morning is to see if she can drive. I'm going to wait for the 15 close. If I can get that, I can then obviously look for the continuation buys. But that's it for me from my analysis. Very quick this morning because gold is just very straightforward, man. There's nothing too crazy about it. GJ not too phased about with all this choppiness. I'm probably going to pass on GJ for the rest of the year. Unless we can get some really, really clean movement. I'm probably not going to trade GJ until Jan. Just because I don't enjoy seeing all this choppiness. So once we can get clear 206, 230, then I'll be a bit more interested. But as you are trading within all this heebie-jeebie nonsense right now, I'm not too interested in that, to be very honest with you. So chat, this is me on gold. Drop a 1 in the chat if you understand, or actually drop a W in the chat if you guys understand this analysis. If you don't, let me know and I can run it through with you. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If not subscribed already, do hit that subscribe button. We do this every day, Monday to Thursday, GMT +2 at 9:30. All right. How was yesterday's session? Was good as well. I mean, yesterday's entire stream was only 17 minutes, and then he TP, and then that TP was like 2 minutes, and then ran off with the MFX members. Okay, so you got the close in 3, 2, 1. There's your closure right now. Absolutely gorgeous once again. The only thing I'm gonna make you guys aware of is this liquidity being right there. So there is going to be a probability that if I take the break of the highs, this could be an issue. So for me personally, this could give me a bit more of a sinker. I can take it on the flip rather. But this is valid to take it at the break of the highs. Excuse me. For something like this. So this is going to be valid. And then your stop, ideally, you'd want beneath there. So I'd give it that 60 pips. Your 10 is right there. And then you can obviously have your push being all the way to the top. I'm not too phased with that, to be honest. All I would want is a TP1. So this would be the idea there. Entry would be 4156.89. I would want price to continue driving, rip right through, hit that TP1. TP2, for those that do want a TP2, would be the wick highs of that for 34 pips over there. And then overall be up here at the liquidity flat body resistance. So this would be the idea. So yeah. YouTube, what you saying though? I haven't even greeted you guys, but good morning to everybody on YouTube. No sound? Oh, was there no sound? For how long? We can't hear you. Oh shit, I hope it was not that long. But I know that the breakdown, definitely the sound was on for that. I checked. Connor Allen, what's up my boy? Congrats on the new Whoopski. Big man ting, well done. I think everybody's getting that BMW bite. Like, they say, like, once one of your friends buy a BMW, then it just rubs off onto the next person, then everybody just starts buying BMWs, which is flipping awesome. We need to change the world to all BMWs. So congrats on that, my man. Okay, gold looking nice. Gold looking nice. You've got open also in the next 13 minutes. This would be the idea here. Guys, I'm personally not going to be taking this trade because I've already taken my one trade for the day. I'm already 20 pips up. So I'm going to call the trade, but I'm personally not going to take it just because I will be breaking my rules if I take this position. You with me? So the trade is valid. 41.5689 I would enter. My stop would be 60 bands. And then I would look to see if price can continue driving to TP1 and then overall TP2. But yeah, I'm not going to take this trade, like I said, just because I've already TP for the day. I've got my 20 pips, my 10 is 10. Quite happy with that. So all I want to then see is how it plays out for you guys, right? But once again, guys, this is not financial advice. It is education and entertainment. So I hope you guys are entertained every day. Hope you guys are entertained. Appreciate you, Yomi. Oh, well done, bro. Dylan Oliver, good morning, Miles. Your stream is highly recommended. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up, brother. It would be pointless in me showing up if you guys didn't come and watch. So I'm glad that it is helping everybody, and I'm glad that you guys pull up every day. That is good. That is good. But other than that, guys, we are midweek. How's the week going for everybody? How is the week treating everybody? Are we good? Is the account surviving? Is the percentages rolling up? I think I made my coffee too hot today. How's that December portfolios coming? So if you did take the trade, I mean, you're literally at your TP1 right now. We just need gold to push that little bit more. And that's TP1 right there, ladies and gentlemen. So that's another bag. At this point, I would be stops to break even. And I'll probably close everything right there because I've got flat body resistance on the left hand side. So that's another 10 pips bagged over there. So personally, I didn't take that trade just because I've already taken my trade for the morning. But I called it for you guys. So drop a 10 instead in the chat if you caught that. Drop a 10 instead in the chat if you learned from that. I couldn't make this up if I wanted to. We do this live every day in front of you guys. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. But that stream for me. I know I did this yesterday, but I mean that's the whole point of trading, is to do your chart analysis, do the breakdown, and then hit your TP and then go do what you got to do for the day. So yeah. Chat. I just want to see what gold's gonna do at the open. I'll give you guys another 10 minutes and I'm gonna go private with all my MFX members. But I think YouTube, I'll give you guys another 10 minutes. I just want to see what London looks like when it opens with you guys. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go private with my MFX members. MFX members in the Zoom, do come to MFX members in the YouTube, do come to Zoom. I want to run through this morning's trade that we took before stream quickly, just so that you guys can learn from that. Ooh, gold is absolutely ripping. That is stunning, boys. That was 41 pips for me. Thank you, Miles. Hey, thank you, Rian, for listening. Well done, my brother. That's some good money. Carmen in Africa, good morning. How are you, madam? Was in 15 type 5. Proud of you. Well done, my boy. Well done, well done. Boys are killing it. These guys are checking. Hey man, we want proper Christmas presents this December. We tired of getting socks every year. Socks and underpants. And I feel like, I'm sure all the guys in the chat right now can relate. Guys, we tired of socks and underpants, aren't we? Huh? Who's tired of socks and underpants? I don't want to see socks and underpants out for Christmas again. I need another Rolex by Christmas, you say? Yeah, gold. Gold with the absolute mashup. Look at that. TP2. That's 30 bags already. Shee. We want Le Creuset pans and pots. What's your husband's name again? Mr. Myberg? I'm gonna send him a DM and say, away. Sort Mickey Mix out there. We want BMWs for Christmas. Yes, that's the best. 41.56 to 41.58. How many pips? Just use your measuring tool, brother. Socks and undies is an elite Christmas gift. What you talk about? Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna pass on that. Made my bag. Let me resume work. I'm out. Cheers, Banele. Hey, Banele just joined today. This man's ready to make you money. Well done, boy. Well done. MFX for the win. Kyle, good morning. I'm good. Coleman, I'm good. I'm good. I love a morning that, you know, starts off like this. You get all your shit done. You come to the charts. You get the charts done. Next objective is the gym. Heck, man. And our weather outside is beautiful. Beautiful stuff, Mr. Oliver. Is Oliver or Olivier? Okay, London is... London feels like it's taking long to come. I love being done before open, I'm not gonna lie. Closed off and break even, let the rest run. GG, boy. I was with you in college, bro. Me? You were with me in college? Me? Send me... What? Really? Varsity college? Really? Were we in the same lecture room? If I see your face, I'm not gonna be funny. I'm very bad with names. I deal with so many people on a daily basis, but I won't forget a face though. Is it too late to get in now? My brother, you can do as you feel. My trade is cold already. Miles, this week journals is for last week and this week. Yes, I want to see them all. Dylan, send me a DM on IG. We're in fasting together. That's crazy. Speaking about varsity, all my varsity lecturers thought, because I used to trade in class. I literally, when I started to learn how to trade, I used to trade in class. And my varsity lecturers always used to think I'm busy DJing. Well, I'm creating, like, you know, the producers, like they're creating beats or something. No, ma'am. We busy making money. We don't have time for no DJ bullshit. Where is Tariq? Probably sleeping, because him and Connor were out last night because Connor got a new whip. So they busy trying to video call me on a past 10. My phone's in sleep mode. I only saw the message this morning. Sending me pictures. I just said I traded IQ options in class. Hey, we all had to start somewhere. So Tariq, I don't think Tariq's gonna make it to stream, dog. Bro, were we in the same lecture room? Why don't I remember? My bad, dog. Connor, where's Tariq? Did he survive last night? What's up with Tariq? What did you do to him last night? Did you drive him scared because of your clutch skills? How does it feel not having a clutch? How does it feel to have your clutch that you can burn? Don't worry, I'm off. Give me I will. Let me just sort out all my other shit and then I'll give you a call. Okay. Okay, MFX members in YouTube, pull up to Zoom. Let's get this shit started. YouTube, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Thank you for your time. It's been real. I'll see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. We'll catch another bag. Other than that, have an awesome day. Check the link in my description. Check the link in my bio. Come trade with the guys. Come get educated by MFX. I'll see you guys in the room. Okay, YouTube, I'm out. Have a lovely day. Bye.